Okay, my friends, today we are going to do a simple video encoding using FFmpeg. As you know, FFmpeg is a video conversion tool. You can convert anything, basically anything, to anything, which means you can input any video types available today and output and re-encode to any video file again available today. So today, let's do some baby steps here. Let's do some basic encoding using FFmpeg. Now, let's start now. Linux users, I know that they already know the FFmpeg, but Windows users also can benefit from the FFmpeg. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and install FFmpeg into this virtual computer. So I'm just going to fire up my Firefox browser. So I Google the FFmpeg download. So you can just click the first link here, download FFmpeg. Here you can select the operating system under the get packages and executable file section. So this one is still loading. This is for Linux package and this is for Windows package, and I believe this is Mac OS. Yes. So we are concerned here about Windows. So just click the when you hover to Windows, you can see the Windows exe files, Windows built by Zenoy or whatever. So click this link. So you will be redirected to that website. Here you can see the download section, and you have versions and architecture and linking. So notice that it's automatically selected to 2020. I believe it's 0115. That means 15th of January, and excuse me. And I don't recommend this version because this is some kind of a nightly build. You see that description always says a nightly git builds. So I am not recommending this. Just use the release or the stable version, which is 4.2.1 at this recording time. So go ahead and click that and select your Windows architecture. So I am using a Windows 32-bit machine, Windows 7 32-bit. So I just go ahead and click that, and the linking method. I'm going to use the static linking because all the dependencies, plugins, and everything is uh, compiled into the executable. So there will be no dependencies in external environment or from the Windows, so you don't have to copy any DLL files or what's anything into the folder. All are statistically linked to the executable file, so it's easy for us. So I'm just go ahead and download the static build here, and I click download this build button, and you will get the download. So I'm just going to save this file. It will download a zip file. So let's wait until it's complete. All right, now it's downloaded. Now let's open the zip file. So let's, okay, here's the zip file. Now let's do some quick check around here by double clicking this. So I believe this is working without any errors. Now let's install this. Basically, what we are uh, what we are going to do by installing is we copy this FFmpeg binary to our C drive and set the path. So from the terminal or any Windows app, excuse me, can use that path to open and find the FFmpeg. Now let's add this to the path then. So I'm just going to move this. It's copied. Now let's add this to the system wide variable, path variable. So you just go to computer properties, advanced system settings, and environment variables. So you go to path, and add the semicolon and just check the bin, copy this path and paste there, and okay, okay, and okay. Alright, let's see. So now open in a command prompt by cmd, then let's try FFMPEG. Voila, it's work. Now let's do some basic encoding uh, with this FFmpeg application. Now we can close everything. So I'm just gonna copy Big Buck Bunny video render to the virtual machine. Alright, now we have this Big Buck Bunny project copied to our virtual machine. I'm just, and I'm afraid you cannot hear the audio of this. So, but I believe you can hear you can see the video. Yes, the video is working in the media player here. Now notice this one is yeah, this is MP4. Now let's do a basic encode using FFmpeg. Now I'm just going to move to the desktop directory here. I'm just tabbing there so you can fill up the. Now first we need to, in FFmpeg we are going to specify the input file always. So I'm just going to type FFmpeg space -i space BBB, the input file, which is this one, and I'm gonna tap this so you can see it's automatically filled. And let's say I'm going to convert this to MOV file. So I'm just going to type OUT, which means out.mov. And just press enter. As you can see now, this is automatically encoding here. So I'm just going to increase the size of. I'm just going to increase the buffer size here. Yeah, this is font size. I want to increase the window size here. Okay, there you go. Screen buffer. Let's increase this width and window size also width. Right. No, I think we need more. Let's increase the window size more. Now that's better. So this is encoding. You have to wait until everything encoded out, and so if you check these the processors is being used here. So my all the processors that I allocated to VMware is now using to do the encoding process. And let's see once the encodings are finished. Alright, now the encoding session is finished, and now you can see the out.mov file is created, and we can just double click this and you can see the media player is playing it. Now actually this file is now a MOV file. So this is MOV. You don't have any special or fancy software to encode. You just need those command lines, and with that command line you successfully encoded the a file to a video file another format. So in this case we converted this to a MOV file. So you can see this file is around 291 megabytes, and this is for around 339 megabytes. So this is just an example of encoding a file to MOV file. um, we can do similar encodings, like we can do FLVs, and we can do to MP2. If you are making a DVD, we can encode to the DVD formats as well. So in next now Here we just use this input and we just specified the output. Now there are many parameters with FFmpeg you can play with. So in next video, let's see the there are many parameters. There are ample amount of parameters. So let's explore those parameters with time. But there are some few parameters that we are using frequently. Uh, in next video, let's discuss what are these frequent parameters and how do we use them to control the quality of output in our video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I upload a new video. So give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions and comments regarding this video, please put it in the comment section down below. So if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section and I will uh, answer to the comments. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.